Russell for Bergman Chiropractic. We're here again with Rachel, all the way from Baltimore. Right?
Yes.
And so you're a new patient over here. What's your experience so far? What's been going on?
So my experience has been amazing. I have saw a complete difference within one visit. When I came in for the first time, they did a series of tests on me, and one of the things that I noticed, and I didn't even realize it, that I couldn't turn my head like this. And today I'm like
like an owl. Very good.
So I feel much better. Last night I had 8 hours of straight rest, and normally that never happens for me. So I've seen a huge difference.
And we know how important that is. Well, sleep and actually repair. When people don't sleep, they don't repair. I mean, so we're so happy to have you here. We really are, especially part of the family now. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for helping me. I'm coming all the way from the East Coast to the West Coast. So this is a big deal for me, and I'm committed to it, and they're committed to helping me. So I'm great. I'm fine.
And you know it's a big deal because there's such rivalry between the East Coast and the West Coast,
Yes.
right? Okay. Well, thank you very much, man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.